Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Jen Blaze and today we are going to do a tutorial with the Naughty Nude palette from Huda Beauty. This is a very pretty palette. The shades on it are kind of marbled. This one, and this one up here, they're all marbled, but when you rub them together, they turn into one shade. So when I first got the palette and was looking at it, I had no idea what this shade was because I'm just looking at it in the picture. I'm like, what are these like little pomegranate seeds in the palette? And then I touched it and it's supposed to be a gloss for the eyes, and rubbing them all together gives like a tinted kind of gloss. And the shade's called Slippery, so it makes sense. Stay tuned if you want to see the rest of this beautiful, glittery holiday palette tutorial. I'm going to start off drawing an outline of a wing with the shade Spicy using this Morphe X Jaclyn Hill JH43 brush. Alright, Spicy is on. I'm going to blend out the outer portion of it just a little bit with the shade Untamed with this Morphe E36. Next, I'm going to blend it out with the JH40 brush, and I'm going to use a blend of Naughty and Rough. Next, I'm going to cut out this blank portion with some more primer. I'm going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. Just dab a little dot, I'm almost out, on the back of my hand. And using this Morphe M213, just gonna fill it in with primer. I'm gonna start off by packing Filthy all over this newly blank spot. Packing it on with this Morphe M124. I think I'm gonna drag this line to my upper lid a little bit more, so I'm gonna go back in with Spicy and the JH43. Using this Morphe M124, I'm going to go in with the shade Irresistible and go all over Filthy with it. A nice metallic base. I can just feel it falling down my face. Ugh, that one was really crumbly. But it gave me what I wanted. Now I'm gonna really define the difference and put some gold glitter liner all the way around the cut part. This is the Urban Decay Heavy Metal in the shade Midnight Cowboy. I believe my eyes are done for right now, so let's do face. Here's that finished face, and now I can move on to the lower lash line. Using the same brush I did earlier, I'm going to go back in with Spicy and just line right underneath the lower lash line. Quick and easy. Using a Morphe M506, I'm going to go in with a little bit of Rough and Hypnotic to blend out the shadow down here. Using a Morphe M213, I'm going to put the shade Flower Power on the inner corner. I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to use Spicy and the Jaclyn Hill 43 brush, and I'm going to put it all the way over. I know my glitter stops about right there. It'll just be a really thin line of shadow liner. I think it'll look really cool. I wish I had like a dark, almost brown, purple, red liquid liner shade of this color. That would look really nice. That looks really cool. Let me do lower liner and mascara really quick. I'm gonna go on to the lips now. This is the NYX lip liner in the shade Pale Pink. For my lips, I'm going to go into the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Medusa. Try a little ombre vampy kind of action. So I'm gonna go in with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Transylvania. I'm just gonna put it in the center of my lips, like on the inside. See what that looks like. If it looks bad, then I'm gonna just always go back over with Medusa. Created a really cute effect, just what I wanted. So I'm gonna apply lashes and some highlighter, and then this look will be done. And here we are with the finished look. This look is really cute, and it is perfect for this upcoming Thanksgiving. This has been the Naughty Nude palette by Huda Beauty. This is such a pretty palette, perfect for the holidays. This is just a bunch of very pretty dark red cranberry nude shades. I really like it. Thanks so much for watching. Please let me know what you want to see in the comments down below. Don't forget to leave this video a like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I'll see you all next week, and stay glazed.